Good afternoon, everyone. As we wrap up the first week of the intersession, it means that we have covered 1/4 of the class, or the equivalent of 1 month of work. Please check the schedule below that is found right here and that is found in the syllabus regularly, so you know when the assignments are due. I am posting it right over here in this announcement. Please take a look at what we have covered so far. Make sure you have read the assignment. Make sure you have look at the study guide. So I sort of want to I just want to remind you about the activities that are due. So here's a few reminders. Number one, the cultural geography special topic discussion was actually due last night. And I only see about 12 of you having posted a reaction to that discussion. I am going to extend the deadline until Sunday. So if you want to get full credit, you need to submit it by Sunday, January 7th at 11:59 p.m. Otherwise, you will not get credit, or the points will be deducted if they are submitted later than the updated deadline. Second, the new geography discussion number one is due tonight, Friday, January 5th at 11:59. Reflection number one assignment is due on Saturday, January 6th by 11:59 p.m. And the map quiz number one is due Sunday, January 7th by 11:59 as well. So this is the nature of the intersession. It's a flurry of material and assignments in a very short period of time. On Sunday, I will be sending another announcement telling you what is happening on week 2. Have a nice weekend. Take care.